Well, the hardware for the dongle is related to the dongle and the cable. After the installation, we have just to check that the lamp blinking and the cable must be connected to the diagnostic connector. Talking about the app installed on our smartphone, we have three different levels dedicated for the engines, for the dealer locator and request of support. When we want to add new engine, we have just type the number of the engine, the serial number of the engine, and then the first three characters related to the technical codes. Then we have start with the searching, and we can load the engine on our smartphone. When the engine is loaded, in the technical data section, we can see more information, for example, power, for example, the plant, the homologation, serial number. And now we can start with the association between the dongle and our smartphone. The engine must be in running, then we can start with the association between dongle and smartphone. The system shows to us the number of the dongle present, and we can start with the connection. When the dongle is connected, we can see some real-time parameters that are available in our smartphone. We can see, for example, speed, some temperatures, some pressure, and some other informations. Speed, torque, for example, engine temperature oil, engine fuel temperature and water temperature, oil pressure, level of oil. If we have some inducement active, the fuel consumptions and other information, for example, the number of the running number of hours, and if we have some information related to the DPF. Obviously, we talk about the real-time parameters, and for us will be possible to see in real time if something changes, speed, temperature, and pressure, so on. If we go in the fault section, we can see if we have some active error in our ECU. We have a section dedicated to the documentation, where it's possible to download in different languages the operator manual, downloading directly on our smartphone. The spare parts section is very useful because we can see if we have the availability of the some spare parts, and then we can send directly from our smartphone the request to our service point or dealer. Also in terms of assistance, and from this area, this section, we can see if we have some requests that are followed by our service, and if this request is solved in green color, for example, or is in progress in yellow color. Another very important section is related to the dealer locator. We can search the service or dealer or both around of us. We can go inside to the settings and we can define the maximum distance related to the research about service or dealer or both, and also very important, which kind of application, on-road, off-road, power generation, or marine, for example. When we start with the analysis, the system will present to us the number and the name of the service and dealer selected by FPT and ready to support us.